Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome you all to our mathematics class. Today we are going to learn the first lesson of mathematics, that is shapes. Right? In that the first point is understand special words. Right? This word is new for you students. But don't worry, we will solve by easy way. In that lesson, we are going to cover 2 points. The first point is identify flat figures and their properties. What is our first point? Identify flat figures and their properties. And our second point is count the sides and corners of flat figures. Right? So are you ready? Yes. Students, everyone open your notebooks and write down the aim of our lesson. Now, so students, we have some new words in this lesson. So let us see what are them. The first word is square. What is the first word? Square. The second word is rectangle. Repeat after me. Rectangle. The third one is triangle. What is the third one? Triangle. Student, repeat after me. Triangle. Right. Then we have one more new word is circle. What is the new word? Circle. Next is corners. What is the word? Corners. And the last one is sides. What is the last word? Sides. Okay. We observe many of objects having different shapes. Right, students? So, from that object, I have taken something that we have to do. So, students, one activity for you. I have taken one cup, a small box. What is this, students? Right, you all are enjoying birthday cap and register. Okay, what you have to do? You have to take just one object on the paper and draw the outline. Okay, this thing you have to do for all the objects. These steps you have to follow for all the objects. What you have to do? Again, take object, draw the outline on the paper. When you complete your activity, you will get some shapes. Like this. Suppose to be when you are drawing the outline of your birthday card, you will get such types of shape. Okay. When you draw the outline of cup, you will get such types of shapes. For box, you will get like this shape. And for register, you will get such kinds of shape. So, do you know about this shape? Do they have any name? This is only we are going to learn in this chapter. Right? But do you know how to draw this shape? For that, you will definitely enjoy. Again, we will do one more activity. What activity? See, you can see on the board, I have drawn 4 boxes. Box number 1, box number 2, box number 3 and box number 4. Okay. In the first box, you can see we have 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. What you have to do? You have to just join the dots. Shall I show you? Yes. You also draw with me. First join these 2 dots like this by drawing a simple straight line. Okay? Then again join these 2 dots like this. Done, students? Again, the remaining 2 dots again we have to join with the simple straight line. Whenever you are drawing the lines or whenever you are joining the dots, use a scale. Okay? Now the first box done. Now we will come to our second box. also we have a 4 dots. Right? Again the same activity we have to do. Just join the dots by using simple straight line. Okay student? First join these 2 dots. Done. Then top side 2 dots. Then next 2 dots by drawing the simple line. Clear? And now again we have okay. Now we'll move toward third box. Third box is also having 4 dots. Same activity we have to do. Just join the dot by using simple straight line. Are you enjoying, students? Yes, definitely. Done. Now draw one more line. Done. Now you will get like this shape. Okay, then move towards fourth box. Again, in the fourth box, draw the dots, join the dots by using, can you draw a simple straight line? No. Instead of drawing the straight line, you can draw like this. Just draw the curve. Done? First 2 dots. Again go just downside and join the dot. Next dot. Just you have to continue draw the curve with the help of that dots. Just join it. Okay. Done, students? Done? Again, if you see the first activity that you draw the outline of the shape, you will get such types of shape, right? And here in the second activity, you just join the dots and again you get some shapes, right? Now see carefully, observe carefully the second activity and the first activity. Do they have any connection? Right? If you see this and this shape, the shape from box number 1 and the outline that you have drawn by taking the help of pointer cap. Here also line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Right? Here also if you can see, this is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. So the shape of name is triangle. What is the shape of name? Triangle. Okay students, now see over the second shape. Second shape, when you trace this outline of the box like this, right? So what is the name of shape? The name of shape is square. Repeat after me, students. What is the name of shape? Square. Okay. The third one. Again, we have 4 lines. When you trace your duster or register, when you trace the outline of your register, you will get like this. Correct? This and this shape is same. So what is the name of this shape? Rectangle. Repeat after me, students. What is the name of shape? Rectangle. And the last one is when you draw the outline of the box or outline of curve, the name of shape is circle shape. What is, student? Circle shape. Repeat after me. This is circle shapes. So what we learn? One by one we will repeat again. This is triangle. Next is square. What shape is? Square. The third one is rectangle. And the last one is circle. So these shapes are flat shapes. Okay students, flat shape means that we can draw on the paper. Okay. Again I want to show you some shapes. Can you tell me the name of shape? What shape is it? Right, rectangle. This is rectangle. Next. Student, what is the name of the shape? Circle shape. This is circle shape. Next. What is the name of the shape? 3. Right? What is the name of shape? This is triangle. Okay. And what is the name of the shape, students? This is square. Okay. So these are all about the flat shapes. Now we will come to our next point, that is count the sides and corners. What are the sides, students? Count the sides and corners. If we see, let us take example of the first flat figure is rectangle. So now we will count the sides and corners. We will see what are the sides and what are the corners of rectangle shape. So let us see, students. This shape is a rectangle, right? So now we have to count the sides. Sides means what? See, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 lines are the 4 outlines is nothing but sides. What are the sides? These 4. Side number 1, side number 2, this is side number 3 and side number 4. So the rectangle has how many sides? Correct. 4 sides. Very good. Then we will see about corners. What are the corners, students? The corners are nothing but where the point where the 2 sides meet. Suppose we are taking this side number 1 and side number 2. These 2 sides meet at a one point. This point is called as corner. We can see over here also. See, this side number 1, side number 2. These 2 sides meet at a one point. This is called as corner. So can you tell me a rectangle has how many corners? You can see over here also. Side number 1, side number 2. This is corner number 1. Then this is corner number 2. Here also 2 sides meet at one point. Corner number 3 and this is corner number 4. Right, students? We will count again one more time. Corner number 1, corner number 2, corner number 3 and this is corner number 4. So rectangle has how many corners? 4 corners. Right, students? Understood? Then we will move to our next flat figure. Square. What is square? So can you again tell me a square has how many sides? Again count. See, if we see a square like this is side number 1, then side number 2, side number 3 and the last one is side number 4. So the square has how many sides? 4 sides. Right. See, we can see over here also. This is side number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Square has 4 sides. Okay. Now we will see about the corners. What are the corners? Where 2 sides meet at one point. That are your corner. Okay. So here we have 4 sides. Okay. Now let's count about the corners. Side number 1 and side number 2. Again they meet at one point. Here also. Then here on the left hand side also and here also. So total how many corners? 4 corners. Right? A square has 4 corners. Then we'll see the next flat figure, that is triangle. Now can you student, can you count the sides of triangle? Side 1, side 2 and side 3. Means triangle has how many sides? Right, 3 sides. Our triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. And what about the corners? Again these 3 sides. So 1, 2 and 3. The triangle has 3 corners. Okay? Triangle has, see again, corner number 1, corner number 2 and corner number 3. Triangle has 3 corners. Okay? Now we will move towards our last shape, that is circle shape. So can you see over here? See the circle. Is the circle has any sides? Any sides or corners? No. The circle shape. How we make a circle? We are not using a straight line. Right? When you draw a circle, we just use a curved line. Right, students? When we draw a circle, we use curved line. So circle has no sides and no corners. So we will mention like circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. So these are about sides and corners. Clear, students? Now one more thing that I want to explain. Just observe carefully. What shape is it? Square, right? And this is rectangle. When you count the sides of square and rectangle both, rectangle has 4 sides, square also has 4 sides. Same for corners. Rectangle has 4 corners and square also has 4 corners. Right? Then how can you identify this is a rectangle and this is square? Right? So, how can you identify? There is one little bit difference. When you see carefully the square and rectangle, the square has 4 sides and the length of that 4 sides are equal. Squares sides are equal in length. Okay? And now for rectangle, not all 4 sides are equal in length. If you see carefully, only the top side and bottom side. The length of top side and bottom side is same and the length of right side and left side is same. It means, how can you identify between square and rectangle? Squares, all sides are equal in length and in the rectangle, only opposite sides are equal in length. So this is the most important point to identify the square and rectangle. I hope you understand all the points that we have covered in this lesson. We will see a further point in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.